Right here, we're going to take a look at how you can get assistance when you're working through a homework problem and you're having some complications. So I've pulled up a homework problem from chapter 3. So this is one that's got multiple questions. So we can take a look at the different options that you have. So if you're looking at the problem and you're experiencing a difficulty, over here, if you take a look, you see you have several different options for question help. So if you click on this, first of all, you can get help me solve this, which is going to open up a section like this that's going to help walk you through each step. And as you put in each component, you're going to be able to check your answer and move forward. These, of course, will get much more complicated as we have more complicated problems, but that gives you an idea of what it looks like, and it'll walk you through it step by step. Okay, checking your answer. Now, another option here is view an example. This gives you a sample problem that's similar where it does all of the work for you. I caution against using these because it's kind of a passive form of learning, and that means that it can all look intuitive to you right now as you're looking at it. It makes sense, but you're not able to actually then go back and solve a unique problem on your own. But that's up to you. So just be careful about that. The other thing that we have in here that you really want to be able to take advantage of is the option here of Ask My Instructor. So here what you get is a message where they'll send directly to me. You need to type in for this what information you've been working on, or where you're stuck and where you've tried. And then when you click on the send link, the send button, it'll send it directly to me with a link to your unique homework problem. Each of these homework problems is similar in style, but uses a unique database. So your numbers are always going to be different than everybody else's. So that's why I will need a link to your unique problem. So emailing me and telling me that problem number 3 you were struggling with won't help me because I don't have access to your actual numbers. So once you've done that, that will come directly to my email, and we'll be able to give you feedback on it as quickly as possible. So when you're working on a homework problem and something's not coming together for and you're struggling, these are the main options over here under question help that you want to use. Again, the step-by-step help me solve it, viewing an example for it, or coming down here and emailing it to me. I suggest you try this first just because that'll help you keep moving while you're in the problem, and that does a good job of helping you troubleshoot where you're making a mistake. However, if that also does not help you, then you can come down here and email it to me, and I will do my best to get back to you as quickly as possible. I do have all of these emails forwarded to my iPhone so I can answer them quickly. All right, so this is a quick video on how, when you're working with homework problems and you're struggling, these are some of the resources you have to get you moving forward on the problem again.